The sun is massive, so big that you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. Sounds huge, right? But in the grand scale of the universe, our sun is tiny compared to some other stars. Meet Stephenson 2-18, a red supergiant so enormous that it completely dwarfs our sun. This colossal star is 2,150 times larger than the sun. To put that into perspective, if Stephenson 2-18 were placed where our sun is, it would engulf every planet in our solar system, not just Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, but even Jupiter and Saturn. These are the two largest planets we know, yet they would be swallowed whole. You could fit a mind-blowing 8 million suns inside Stephenson 2-18. Just take a second to imagine that. Compared to this giant, our solar system is nothing more than a tiny speck. Stars like Stephenson 2-18 remind us of just how small we truly are in the vastness of the universe. If you love space and science, don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing facts.